Hello everyone, Simmons here from Simmonsessentials. Here's another original for you. This is the Crystal Clear Wreath knot. Let's get started. This is my left side right here. I'm going to put a fold in there, as we usually do. Actually, I want to do kind of that. Doesn't matter what fold you put in. Come across like this, back around like so, down like this. This is what we have so far. Come across like this, and then up and over. Right. It's going to naturally want to fold in half probably for you. If not, just quickly fold it in half like this. Come around like this. Here comes the wreath. There's the wreath right here for you. Coming across, under, like this. Let me put my collar down. There you have the Crystal Clear Wreath. Again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. Catch you in the next video.